In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more highlights in Affinity Photo. If your image looks a little flat or the bright areas feel muted, this quick technique will help you bring back sparkle and definition without making the photo look harsh. Start by opening Affinity Photo. Once you're in, open the photo you want to enhance so it's active on your canvas. We're going to work right inside the app's built-in tools, so there's nothing extra to install or set up. At the top of the screen, go to the pixel options and hover over filters. From there, move into the lighting section and choose shadows, highlights. Depending on your version, you may see slightly different wording, but you're looking for the shadows, highlights control. This is designed to balance tones by selectively recovering detail in bright and dark areas, which makes it perfect for adding more highlight presence while keeping the overall image natural. You'll see 4 sliders. Think of them as your fine-tuning controls. One targets highlights, helping you recover texture in bright areas so whites don't look blown out. Another focuses on shadows, so the darker regions don't crush to black as you raise contrast. A radius or similar slider governs how broadly the adjustment spreads, controlling the softness of transitions and preventing halos along edges. The final slider adjusts overall tonal balance, letting you nudge the image brighter or darker to keep everything cohesive. Make small, deliberate moves and watch the preview as you go. Aim for a balanced, crisp glow in the brightest parts like reflections, clouds, or skin highlights without losing detail. If the image starts to look washed out or you notice glowing edges, pull back on the intensity or reduce the radius to tighten the effect. Subtlety is key. A gentle lift usually looks more professional than a dramatic push. When you're happy with the result, click Apply. That locks in the changes and gives your photo a clean, polished pop in the highlights while preserving natural contrast across the scene. And that's it. Quick, precise, and effective.